everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to fix Instagram security code not received. So let's begin right away. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your cell phone is not on airplane mode. To do that, just simply go to the control center and make sure that the airplane button is not turned on or not highlighted. So I have mine off, and do take note that your phone should not be also on not disturb. As you can see, I have mine turned off. And if this still doesn't work, what you're going to do is go to messages. On the upper right corner, press the three dots. You can go to spam and block and check whether the security go there. Also, check in settings. You can press general. Make sure verify business sender is toggled on. And then again, if it still doesn't work, you can go to settings. Then on the search button, search SIM cards and mobile networks. Make sure that it is on. If all of these steps still doesn't work, you can go to Instagram support. So open up your Instagram app. Go to your profile photo on the lower right part of the screen. Then press the three lines on the upper right part. Go to settings. Press help. And report a problem. And explain what happened. You will type security code not received. Then you will just go to next and send report. Just wait for Instagram to give their feedback. So that's it. That's how you fix Instagram security code not received. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comment section if this works out for you. And don't forget to subscribe and like.